Like, I just vomited the whole coffee. Like, that was just so crazy. I'm just actually going to take a bath because now I smell like vomit. But oh my gosh, why though? I mean, the coffee was so great. I think I'm gonna make myself another one just to double check if the problem might have been the coffee. I used to love iced coffee a lot back in the day, but now, like, I usually drank a lot of like normal coffee, hot coffee. So I tried that iced one, I think 2 hours after chilling by the couch, and then I vomit like that.
Hayi bo, webathandi bomgosi akanisheshe. Nasi isigaxa sendaba. Cyan Butchie is rumored to be pregnant. Hi, you family. Welcome to All Trending Mzansi. If you're new here, please do subscribe and hit the thumbs up button. Webathandi bomgosi Cyan Butchie slash the DJ slash YouTuber slash influencer. I can call her many names, but because she is, of course, dominating the entertainment industry. She is currently rumored to be pregnant. This is after she posted a vlog, but complaining about vomiting after she drank her favorite iced tea. And then on this very same clip, we see her standing up, cutting a cake, and eating it. But fans were focusing more on her belly, stating that there is something unique there, Manuesa. And even on this clip where she's sitting down and then a nurse seems like she is attending her. When you look closer, you can see that man, there is something unique with Cyan Butchie's body. And this is because we all know that Osisi Cyan have a flat tummy. So for her to have such a big belly out of nowhere, after all of those cosmetic surgeries she underwent, see the BBL, her going to get some of her ribs removed, all of that traumatic experience, see for her to be pregnant and for her to have such a big belly, woo, bandla, it did indeed cause some commotion ngale ku-Black app. Webathanda bomgosi, the last time Cyan Butchie was trending, it was when the Madlanga Commission allegedly arrested uLerotle Bathandi Bomgosi. And it was also rumored that Usain Butchie allegedly was involved in a life triangle with that man. So that was the last time we ever heard or seen Usain Butchie. Adding on that, Bathandi Bomgosi, with her buying a house worth for 2 million, all of that actually caused some problems for her allegedly. So that is why she somehow disappeared on the social media platforms. So for her to make such a remarkable return, Batsari with such a big belly and people having so many questions whether she is pregnant or not, it is indeed quite interesting. Let us look at what Tweep had to say. Her body is her office. She wouldn't ruin that just to bring a problem to the world. I don't think so, a Tweep said. Good for her and the baby, and may God give the simp an internal wallet so that will never dry up because she will expose him on socials when they broke up. Another one stated. I wonder how did the baby daddy convince her to keep the baby? Ngoba uSayen uya aborta akadlali. Yuh, bathanda bomgosi, hayi shem kuningi impela. Now, what people really want to know is who is the baby daddy if she is indeed pregnant, and why or what made her to actually want to be pregnant, bathanda bomgosi, after spending so much on revamping her body. Ooh, betunana. Please do leave your comments down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Catch you on my next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.